Hi guys! Good morning. Today is Sunday and syempre bubuksan natin tong ating ref. And then kukuha tayo ng pagkain. Yung pagkain ko. Ipakita ko sa inyo guys. Ayan. Pagkain ko. This is my lunch. My lunch. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. Ipapainit ko kasi siya. Ayan. It's so expensive the pork belly. Why are you so obsessed with me? Pork belly kayo. Yo. And then I have a, what is this? Jumbo sausage. Hot dog. Kaya mo ba ito? Sarap lang. Oh! I have two. I'm gonna show you. It's two. One for you, one for me. Or one for me, and one for me. So yan. This is my lunch. And dinner. Lunch, so I can eat whatever I want. In Sunday. Only Sunday. Yeah. And then and that's it. Yan lang naman ang pagkain ko ngayon today. Sunday today. Kaya, yun, Sunday is my favorite day. It's because it's a rest day. Ayun lang. So, yun yan. Habang hintay tayo na kain muna tayo na ice cream. Ice cream. A beautiful Sunday. It's a salted caramel ice cream. Look, it's a salted caramel ice cream. Sweet dreams and beautiful nightmare. Na, 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 na. I'm not well, but I love to eat. I'm not well, honey. I'm gonna put here my ice cream. And I'm going to rest. Magpahinga tayo guys. Magpahinga tayo. You know. If you know, you know. Yan. Wash my hands. I'm gonna eat my happy. Harap? Ako yung magiging jowa mo, tapos yung bunganga ko ganito. Alam mo pa rin ba ako? Gusto ko ulit magpagupit ng buhok guys. Pag-uwi ko na lang ng Pilipinas, tsaka ako magpapagupit. Kasi dito sobrang mahal ng pagupit. Nasa 700 something. Yeah, I think like that. $25 or $20. Mga ganun yung pagupit dito sa Singapore. Ayun. Sa Pilipinas na lang ako magpapagupit. Kasama ko yung anak ko. Ang ganda ko, no? Yeah. Do you want ice cream, Lalo?
No.
It's not yours, it's mine. Sweet dreams of beautiful nightmares. Okay, anyway guys, ito na end yung vlog. Because I'm going to rest. Going to sleep. To finish eat this one because I'm not well. Still, I'm not well. I don't know why. Sarap. Yo. Bye-bye.